Of everyone, no corresponding scores. I reveal all the results from here from the tabulators, okay? So starting with the fifth runner-up to be awarded by Miss Rocklyn Ciano and such by Miss Aiza Amayowon. I don't know. Miss Aiza Amayuwon.
Aiza.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Did I pronounce correctly?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Aiza. Dali. Aiza. Oh, nalimasin na din kami.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fifth runner-up for Miss Valentine's 2025, no other than Izubat.
Oh, wow.
Congratulations, candidate number 6.
Congratulations, candidate number 6 for receiving fifth runner-up, sash, crown, and trophy.
STC.
Representing STC pa?
Pumasok kami.
Once again, congratulations and thank you so much.
Congratulations, candidate number 6 for getting the fifth runner-up place. Alright, we will be moving now to fourth runner-up to be awarded by Miss Jennifer Calvo and such by Miss Mary Jane Cabuyao.
Number 12. Number 2. Tatlo na lang.
Alright,
Lalaban si Premos po.
are you all ready? Who will be the fourth runner-up of Miss Valentine's 2025? No other than candidate number 12.
Congratulations, candidate number 12 for receiving fourth runner-up. And receiving another crown trophy is
Iiyak na yan.
Congratulations, candidate number 12 for getting the fourth runner-up placement. Alright, so I will be announcing now the third runner-up to be awarded by Miss Dilma Solte and sash by Miss Alberta Mansueto.
Third runner-up.
The third runner-up for Miss Valentine's 2025. No other than candidate number 1. Congratulations!
congratulations, candidate number 1 for third runner-up for receiving crown, sash, and trophy.
Thank you so much. Alright, so we're moving now to second runner-up to be awarded by Miss Lumalita Samorte and such by Miss Elizabeth Aipan.
Number 5.
The second runner-up. Alright.
Ilan na lang ba hindi naman? Sino na lang ba? 5, 2, and 10.
I will be announcing now, ladies, the second runner-up for the Miss Valentine's 2025. The second runner-up goes to candidate number got it right. Candidate number 10.
Congratulations, candidate number 10. For the second runner-up, receiving also trophy, crown and such.
Number 2 siya. Oh, congrats. Opo, number 2 siya. Oo, okay lang.
Thank you so much.
Tignan mo nga naman, no? Swerte, ah.
Alright, so for the information everyone, I will be announcing first the first runner-up for Miss Valentine's 2025. Before I will announce the Miss Valentine's 2025, we will just welcoming also the Miss Valentine's Cordillera 2023 for her final walk, okay? This is the sequence of the program. Alright? So, I will be announcing now first runner-up for Miss Valentine's 2025. The first runner-up to be awarded by Arlene Moran and Miss Aida Hamak, and such by Miss Melody Saliuan.
Nakabit na agad.
Ladies, I'll be announcing now the first runner-up. Are you all ready? Congratulations for the first runner-up goes to candidate number... Candidate number 2.
Congratulations, candidate number 2, for winning the first runner-up.
Kasi marami siya nakuha ng major awards. Marami kasi siya. Napaiyak siya.
Congratulations, ladies. Starting from 5th up to first runner-up. Before I will announce the Miss Valentine's 2025, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the last year Miss Valentine's 2024 for our final walk, the Miss Cordillera Valentine's 2024. Can we give them a big round of applause? young madam. Alright, so for the Miss Valentine's 2025, she will receive a cash, an amount of €100. Alright, so it's gonna be from the Freedom of Friendship. Congratulations. Instead of €100 from this gentleman or from this guy, she will receive a cash of €300.
Wow, thank you, sir. Style your score. Giving such.
Maganda ka tignan mo. Cute. Cute siya. Parang si Maris na kayo. Sabi ko sa'yo.